Let's prepare and make some good profits this week. Market left this big cruise right here. I will show you if the market wants to dump, where the liquidity will be and how do you prepare for it. So you have to watch this very importantly, especially those that cannot wait to short this. You have to watch this. You need to know what to be looking out for instead of gambling, wasting your money every single day. And for those that just say, just buy calls, well, you have to be careful. Trading is not just about buying calls and puts. You have to be more mindful than that. So if you say something like just buy calls every day, you'll make money, you have to be better than saying things like that, because that's very short-term approach to trading. And I want you to learn this lifetime skill for the rest of your life. So while you're up, because you bought calls, I want you to learn. Take this opportunity to learn, right? So let's talk about that in today's video. Friday was really quite straightforward. 10:15. We already identified the pink algorithm, and I talked about it, isn't it? I said you would have observed the pink algorithm building liquidity here, and once the 5 days started over there grabbing the liquidity, you see how beautifully the market grabbed the liquidity from there. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. Now this is a very important trade, 100% trade for me right there. There are several very important factors I want to be talking about from this. Now, I've included a preview of a secret training video that I'm providing for Discord members at the end of this video. So please do take some time to watch it. I do this secret training video every single day to break down the day's technical analysis so you are able to understand a little bit better on how to be taking trades like that. So absolutely beautiful trade there on Friday.